Hey, what's up YouTube? This is part 21. You guys are probably wondering why I'm skipping over part 20 because I'm still actually in the development of making those videos, but this one is just to let you know about the state bar. So this is the K20 2 swap Integra, as you can see. Now the reason why I am making this video is because I did fail today, and not because of like emission wise. I'll actually show you the emissions papers. I failed because of the actual DC header. They said that this is not the actual legal one, and I couldn't use this part number, so they want me to use an RSX header, which is impossible because the RSX header literally comes and it'll hit right on the subframe. So right now I'm thinking about just putting the stock one on there. Since the paperwork does say just OEM, I kind of shouldn't have opened my mouth. I told him, what if I just put the TSX one on there? He said I can't use that one, but I think you can. I just think they just want to see something stock on there. So before I can even schedule another appointment, I have to basically get a stock header on here, and I guess just tell them it's the RSX one. So I mean, I don't even think they'll notice because I don't even think the stock headers have part numbers on them. So that's basically why I failed. Let me show you why. This is what they gave me, the executive order. Here's the actual smalls, as you can see how good the motor is. So as you can see, the standard is right here. So these are all the levels that this car was running at, which is really good. I mean, it's dead on perfect even with the headers on there. So at the bottom, as you can see, the emission levels, still just everything below. So this is the standard, and this is where the car is at. So this is the standard, and this is where the car is at. So as you can see, the motor is running perfect, even with the intake and header. So that didn't affect the emissions at all. So basically, yeah, that's one good thing that came out of today. This is the reason why he flagged me and it had failed, because he said that this part number has to be the RSX and I can't use that one. So hopefully with the new TSX stock header that I throw on there, that I can just take a picture, because I actually have to send it in. As you can see, let me see, paperwork. Yeah, so this is the paperwork that I have to fill out after I get the new headers on there. So I mean, I know DC doesn't make a legal header for the swap. That was the one I thought we were going to use it before, and then I realized that they don't make one, and I just actually had bought a sticker for my old K-swap and just used it, so I kind of confused myself. So no, there's no K-swap legal headers. There's only RSX headers and for the factory vehicles. So I gotta fill this out, show them that it's stocked, and then I can actually, like I was saying, get another referee appointment. Other than that, I mean, that's basically it. You guys haven't really seen the inside, but all the wires are all tucked in. Looks a lot better in here. Seats are all back in and everything. I took those out because I was messing with the O2. I had just installed a brand new O2 sensor today for the secondary one. Like I said, I'm still doing part 20, so I skipped over that video because basically I'm not done yet. I still have to wire the AC and put the fan on. So just wanted to let you guys know what's going on. I mean, it sucks, I know, but it happens, you know. I thought for sure that the TSX with this DC legal would be fine, but they wanted to be more strict, so gonna be taking these off and putting the stock ones on. I think I found some for like $100 on OfferUp, so we'll get those going. But other than that, I mean, everything is, you know, back to normal. I cleaned the car up, as you can see, so looking fresh today. Shout out to JFab, he helped me detail it and clay bar it, because I did have some grease marks on here for my hand. So like I said, the car is just cement, as you can see. Too bad it didn't pass today, because I was really hoping I can finish part 20 and bring out both videos today, but guess that didn't happen. So what we're gonna do is order some parts, get that TSX header on there, go to the exhaust shop, probably get the new flange re-welded, and go for the attempt again. I mean, we're basically like 98% ready for the car just being finished. So stay tuned, guys. I mean, this is basically gonna be one of the last videos after this. It'll just be me passing the bar. So I appreciate you guys actually watching and sticking around, because it's a long time since this car's been actually, you know, out of the customer's hand. I know he wants his car back. I want to give it back to him so he can have fun, because I know the way this car feels, it feels amazing. It feels like a stock car. I mean, except it has all the power that the LS didn't have. So I mean, it's a fun car. I like it. I just want to get this thing finished and ready so this car can be officially barred, and hopefully I can do another car for somebody else. It'll probably be a lot more quicker and easier now that I've mastered my wiring. So stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't, ring that bell so you get the notifications, and like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.